Hi there and welcome to our next video on the group 0 elements. This is a continuation from our last video, but in this video we're going to be going through some exam questions. So let's get started. Our first exam question states, why are noble gases unreactive? A, because they all have one electron in their outer shell. B, they all have a full outer shell of electrons. Or C, they all have a low density. So the noble gases are in group 8, meaning they have 8 electrons and a full outer shell in the last shell. So this means the answer to this would be B. Because they have a full outer shell of electrons, they don't need to react with any other element in the periodic table to gain one because they already have one. And that will give you 1 mark. Next question. Does xenon or neon have a higher boiling point? Remember, as you go down the noble gases, the boiling point increases. So the answer to this would be xenon. It will have a higher boiling point than neon. Question number 2. Argon is very unreactive. Using your knowledge of its electronic structure, explain why. So argon has a full outer shell, so it doesn't need to lose or gain electrons. And you can elaborate on that answer if you want, but that will give you 2 marks. The first one will give you 1 mark, the second one will give you 2 marks. Last question. What is the electronic configuration of helium? So helium has 2 electrons in total, so it fills its first shell. So helium is a noble gas as well, so its electronic configuration would be 2, just like this: the nucleus in the center of the atom, and then the first shell, it will fill its first shell, and that will be the electronic configuration of helium. And that is it for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked it, and one last thing, please subscribe and hit the like button.